Hi guys, so like you might already know, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a privacy display feature built into the screen of this device, and this makes it a lot hard for people to spy through your device or find out what you're doing on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra without your permission. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the privacy display feature, customize it and use it properly on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra without any problem. Before we proceed, keep in mind that the privacy display feature is not available on the Samsung Galaxy S26. You would only get it on the Ultra version of the Samsung Galaxy S26. And now to turn on this feature, there are actually a couple of ways. The easiest is to simply just go over to the settings of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. You want to scroll all the way down to display settings, and then here you're going to see the privacy display feature. Go ahead and select it. Mine, as you can see, is currently turned on, but if I turn it off just like so and then tilt the display of my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to the right or to the left, you can see that it is not hard for you to view anything on the screen. But as soon as I turn it on just like so and then tilt it, you can see now that it is pretty hard for anyone to view through the screen without my permission. At the bottom, there is also the option for you to even maximize it, that is to push it to the fullest, and once you turn this on, it becomes even more hard for people to view through your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or watch whatever you're doing without your permission. Just after the turn on switch, there is the conditions, which allows you to be able to set certain conditions to use this particular feature. So you can go ahead and turn it on for specific applications. For instance, I can go ahead and turn it on for the Google application, and once I do that, if I go back to the home of my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can see that it is not on the home screen. But as soon as I proceed to open up the Google application, the screen automatically goes dark. You can go ahead and enable this feature for your bank application or literally any application from over here. But there is even more to this, so you can also enable it whenever you're entering your password, pin or pattern. So I can go ahead and enable it for password, pins and patterns, and whenever I try to enter a password, pin or pattern, it automatically makes the screen dark. So if I try to enter my phone's pattern, you can see now that the screen is becoming dark. There is also the option for you to be able to enable it for pop-ups on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you go over to the notifications over here, if you toggle this on, whenever you get notifications on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, that specific part where the notification comes on your screen becomes dark, making it hard for anyone to be able to view your notifications on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Another easy way you can turn on or off the privacy display feature is to just swipe down through the control center on your device, and then you're going to see the privacy display option over here. Select it, and from here you can choose to toggle it off or toggle it on whenever you want on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So I can completely turn off everything directly from here and also turn it on whenever I want from over here. Please let me know in the comment section if this was helpful, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.